Hey guys, I'm so excited to be announcing this new version of Snappy, and the reason I tell you this is massive is because let's take a look at this video, right? So let's just quickly watch like a few seconds.
It's Monday, time to conquer the world. Fuel up with ambition and coffee. Let's go!
Now this was the first version that I had initially went live with, and obviously like it was great, but it wasn't up to that point. Like if you look at the images are not great in the first place, right? Then these are not cropped through the screen. I've been working 10 hours every day on this, and I think I have the initial first good version. Quickly off the bat, there is a way to now add brand watermarks or YouTube handles. So let's say this one. You can see you can now claim your own videos, which wasn't possible earlier. You can, create custom advertisements, educational content by just giving extra information. So if you're, putting something which is way more recent, you can actually feed that knowledge to the model or AI, and it can, identify what you want to add in the script per se. The other major update is the voice. Like we didn't have more voice option. There were just male and female. Now you have 8 options. You can actually demo these here.
Thank you for using Snappy.
Thank you for using Snappy.
Thank you for using Snappy.
That's pretty cool. And I think the final update that I made, and I'm going to show you the impact that it has made on the short and what we have planned in the future, is the captions, right? So initially you were just logged with this caption template. Now you actually have an option to select from 2 more templates in here. And I am actively looking to add more here, but to start off with, I think these are the ones that you can actually use. So if you select caption style, you can select the audio you'd want to add. You add the handle name, brand name if you're making an advertisement, and some details. You can see there's some samples here, and this is the kind of shots we generate now. So let's just quickly watch this video.
What if there was a hidden world beneath our... What if there was a hidden world beneath our feet?
You can see there's a watermark up there with my name. So when you post it on social media, it actually comes with your name now.
Our feline friend investigates something out of the ordinary. It discovers a...
You can also see the images are way more cleaner now compared to, these ones. So
parallel universe run by advanced technology. In this secret realm, the cat unravels the mysteries of alien intelligence. It joins forces with the rebels to restore the balance between organic life and artificial intelligence. Together, they bring hope back to the surface dwellers. Explore beyond what you see. Watch the full story on YouTube.
I would say it's a lot more better than the first version, which was merely more of the beta version. Now, I wouldn't say this is like the perfect version where we'll end. We'll obviously do more optimizations to improve this over time. So right off the bat, the captions can be improved. This can be improved, the font here. And maybe some background noise would be great. So I'm currently working on the background noise feature, and I'm, going to be rolling it out over the next few days. But yeah, I've made significant progress. I know one more thing that you'd notice is that now there's a progress bar here. Let me just show you in the video silence remover. It's not going to make much difference because the progress bar is basically going to look the same. So when you click on process file, you will actually now see a progress bar that will give you some indication with respect to how long it's going to be taking to process your video. So you can see it's already started here. It's estimated 4 minutes. Generally it is faster than that, in which case you can just refresh your page and wait, but some indication with respect to how long it's going to be taking to edit or maybe generate your video. So yeah, I think these are the 4 major updates that we've rolled out at Snappy, and I hope some of you had asked these features, so I'm hoping that these actually add value to you. If there are more suggestions with respect to what you want to see in the product to automate your reel creation or maybe social media post creation, feel free to drop me a note on Discord or maybe just directly reach out to me via the email. Thank you so much guys, have fun generating content with AI.